Hey guys, Andrew at Painless here with my Power Tour Package 71 Z28 out here on the 2019 Hot Rod Power Tour. This is my third Power Tour in this car. First time with the UMI suspension. When I first put it together, saved a little money, I did just new bushings and the factory stuff, and it rode real rough. Put the new tubular control arms, Viking performance coilovers and everything. Made a huge difference in drivability, but also throwing this thing in the corners. It handles just like a modern car. So it's a 71 Z28, it's a matching numbers car, but put a 6-liter 4L80 Strange 9-inch in it. It's one of those, it was a family car, inherited from my late uncle. It sat in the barn for 20 some odd years, and took it on the first Power Tour in 2016 and haven't looked back, been enjoying it.